Ho, 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 ho!
Welcome back to the daily 1989 Batmobile build. Today is December 13th. Yesterday we hit the halfway point, and we mainly focused on the cockpit area here. So let's continue on today with bag 13. All right, that's the end of bag 13. So we got this section built up a little bit more, and my goodness, lucky bag 13 lived up to its name. So yeah, a little struggle bus. I had some parts. I misidentified some parts. So they got stuck in bag 13, but actually they belonged in bag 19. So I had to go fishing around and get the right parts, but we made it. So that's it for December 13th. Stay tuned tomorrow as we continue on with bag number 14.